new AI mode, create animation from a single image. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could convert your image, even if a single image, into an animation. So over here right now, we are currently in runwayml.com. This is the platform that would allow us to turn our image into an animation. Now, first things first, let's get our image. Now, over here, I am in Leonardo and I could generate my own image if I want to by simply going to AI image generation over here. But let's try using images from the dashboard or like the top community feed right now. So over here, we have a lot of options. Let's look for one that would look amazing if animated. So, for example, let's check out how this image would look animated. This one over here. Let's simply download this image over here. There we go. Go back to Runway. Click on Start with Image over here on the home page, or you could click on Options over here on the left side. But let's click on that. And in this part, we're simply going to upload our image. Now, let's simply give it a few seconds to load. Might take a bit. And there we go. Now, there are three options over here for this text or image to video option over here. You could either start from a prompt or a text, or you could have an image where you could simply upload our image just like this, or you could do image plus description so that you could mention what type of design or animation you would like to have. And it will allow the AI to have more instructions and have an idea on what output you're trying to create. So let's simply wait for our image over here to finish uploading. So let's see over here. Let's give it a few seconds. Now, if you don't have any image and if you don't know what to try yet, you could view the different outputs over here already performed by this AI. As you can see, you could hover on your screen and you can see how this AI has worked before. And basically, it will give you a guarantee on how it would or guarantee on the output. As simply click on generate 4 seconds. Now, there's only a limit of 4 seconds for now, but you will be able to extend it over and over later on. As you can see, our video is now being generated and will be done in a few minutes. So this depends on the traffic, of course, of the app. It might take longer or it might take faster, depending on when you are generating this video. Right now, it's going fast. For me, it's going a decent speed. So let's give it a second or two for it to load. Now, while waiting, I don't think we can view our output anymore. But either way, let's wait for this. Now, if you're using a free version, there will be a limitation of outputs. And as you can see, I have 93 seconds left. So since it's generating 4 seconds photo, it will slowly chip away and take away from the generations that we could have per video, as you can see here on the top. And there we go. This is our video being finalized. As you can see here on the top, you can see the extend 4 seconds over here. And there we go. Let's simply play this. And there we go. Now, it's not perfect, of course. You might have to try again and like rate it low if you want. But you can try other types of photos if you want. And that's basically how you could turn your image into an animation. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.